How's it going, everybody? It's Thursday, July 18th, 2024. It is 9:57 Mountain Time, PM. I got the radiator support off. I got the water pump off, the intake manifold. I also got the spider off, or the fuel injector pump, with the injector lines all together as one. I got the covers off. Gonna take the headers off in the morning. Pretty easy, actually. It's not real complicated how they make it seem. Looks like I'm about to pull the engine. I'm gonna be cleaning all the parts as well too. Here's the spider, my alternator, intake manifold, also the header